Hey guys, a very good question under application of differential calculus. Now, the area of a circle is increasing at a rate of 6 meters square per second. Find the rate of change of the circumference when the radius is 8 centimeters. As soon as you hear rate of change, you know is differential with respect to t. All right. So what we are given, let's write everything we given. We are given dA by dt to be 6 meters square per second. Good. We're asked to find dc by dt. We do not have that. Then we are given radius to be 8 centimeters. All right. And let's not forget that area of a circle is pi r squared. Then circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Let's not forget this. Now, why we decide to have this, you will see shortly. Okay, now remember we are looking for dc by dt. So we are going to have a combination of multiplication of differentials so that we can, at the end of the day, have dc by dt. We are going to use what we're given. Now, remember, we are given dA by dt, so I can have my dA by dt. Now, what will I do to make sure I get dc by dt? All right. What about if I have times dc by dr? Okay. Once I have this, you see, I cannot actually have dc by dt with this because dA cannot cancel dr. Okay. So let me see. What else can I do? What about if I have times dr by dA? What will happen? Now, if you look at it very well, if you cancel it out, you are going to get dc by dt. So we are done. We've gotten what we wanted. Okay. So what we need now is to get our dc by dr. Okay. Very good. Remember, we said our c is equals to 2 pi r. So therefore, dc by dr will leave us with pi with 2 pi. Okay, just 2 pi. Good. So we've gotten that. Then let's go to okay, we have the a. Good. So we have a is equals to pi r squared. So therefore, the a by dr will leave us with 2 pi r. But if you check here, look at it here, is dr by dA. So therefore, inverting it, dr by dA will leave us with 1 over 2 pi r. So it appears we have everything that we need. So let's move and substitute. So therefore, dc by dt is going to give us dA by dt, which has been given to us as 6 meters square per second. So we have 6 times, good, we have dc by dr. Dc by dr, okay, is 2 pi. So I have my 2 pi. Then times, okay, dr by dA, which is 1 all over 2 pi r. So we've expressed it well. So therefore, dc by dt, if you check it out, you see this 2 pi goes with this 2 pi. So what I'm left with is actually 6 all over r. But let's not forget that our r is 8. So we'll come down. dc by dt is going to give us 6 all over 8, which is the same thing as 3 over 4. Which is actually the same thing to decimal as 0.75. Okay. Since it is rate of change, dc by dt is going to be 0.75, is going to be meter per second. This is the rate of change of the circumference. It's actually a very simple question and very interesting and short. Now, remember, this particular place plays a very, very vital role for you to solve this question. You just have to have a combination that when it cancels out, it's going to give you dc by dt. So watch it over and over, and I want to believe you're going to come out fine. So don't forget to actually subscribe and continue to watch good videos explaining mathematical principle.